Want Siri to send text messages instantly without asking for a confirmation? This feature can save you time by skipping the extra step of approving the message. Here's how to enable this setting and send messages effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Siri. Next, tap on Messaging with Siri. After that, toggle on Automatically Send Messages. And you're done. From now on, Siri will send messages without asking for confirmation. Now let's send a message. Activate Siri by saying "Hey Siri" or by pressing and holding the side button or home button on older iPhones. Then say "Send a text to" and then say your contact's name. Siri will ask you what you'd like to say. Dictate your message clearly. For example, "I'll be there in 10 minutes. After that, Siri will send the message automatically. Easy, right? By following these steps, you can send messages using Siri without any confirmation from your iPhone. This feature works great for quick hands-free texting, but be cautious to avoid accidental messages.